how to add games in WeMod. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first thing you need to do is open up your WeMod. So we're going to open up our WeMod right here. Here's WeMod, and this is the game that you want to add. As you can see, you need to install the game first. Right now, to install the game, you can go to Steam on the Steam app by clicking here Steam and just install the game here. But in convenient way, a small tip for you guys, a little bit of tip. A convenient way to download the game and using WeMod is by clicking here install for free. And another tip, you can click on the arrow right here to choose which one you want to get it on Xbox or get it on Steam. So some games have more options, like example Red Dead Redemption 2, then click right here. You can get from Epic, Rockstar, but you have to buy it. But when you click, it will be redirected to Epic and you will have to buy it. But unlike here in the Fallout Shelter right here, it is free on Steam, and don't worry, you'll know if it's free or not because it will show you a free icon. And to know if it's free or not in the other apps, for example right here, get on Xbox, so there's no free, there's some dollars, so that means you have to pay for it. So right now, get the free version of Steam, click on install, and once clicking on install, it will redirect you right here to your Steam. You see, when you're here, click play game, then choose a drive. I'm going to choose C drive, and then click on install. There you go. Now we'll just wait for the installation. Go for installation, only takes few minutes. And there you go. As you can see, right now we have the Fallout Shelter right here. So to use it, just click on play, or here's another tip, don't click play here. Just do is go back onto WeMod, then click play. After clicking, the WeMod will automatically open the game you see. There you go, Fallout Shelter is now loading. So there you go guys. So that's basically how you can add games in WeMod. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.